Good evening, tutor and classmate. My name is Álvaro Alexander Vargas. I want to present my final task about the exam. So my topic was, or my exam was, Business English Certificate. The first question is, what is the purpose of the exam? To certify or offer qualification in English for all those who need a language certification for international professional file. The second question is, what kind of people can take these exams? This test or this exam is made at men and women who are involved in the business world and want to acquire prestige, skill, and approach in the file. But it's important to take account this. Note, this does not mean there is a limit, everyone can take it. The next question is, what is the main goal of the exam? It helps to evaluate and certify a person's international business knowledge, accredits him as an connoisseur of the accepted area or type of international business. Then the question is, what are the most significant characteristics of the exam? The first is divided in two stages: preliminary, vantage, and higher, helping to improve the quality of service. The second is present oral, writing, reading, and audio models. And finally, it is focused on those who need the language for international professionals matter. Another question is, what skills are evaluated through the exam and how are they evaluated? Reading, writing, and listening. Additional topics related to marketing, production, financial services, and general office work are included. The evaluations are carried out through a virtual platform, which is divided into models appropriate. It's up to you. So, what scale is used to get the result? The result is preliminary, vantage, and higher. Scale B1 to C2. For these three models, 4 tests of approximately 1 hour are used. It is divided in tests 1 to 4. The final result of the exam are carried thoroughly by Cambridge staff. Would you take that exam in the future? Why? If I would like to take the test in the future, I must first improve my English level in order to get a good result. Why would I like to take the exam? I think it's very useful certificate, especially if we want to leave the country and work with international companies and improve our curriculum vitae. Classmates, thanks for watching this video. Bye bye. Stay tuned for your comments. Bye.